everyone, it's Carol. How you doing today? I hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to do part 2 of our stick products. Not all of them, but a lot of my stick products. First are these Palladio blushes. They are called I'm Blushing, and they are a 2-in-1 cheek and lip. This one is peach, and this one is, and that's the name of it, peach, and this one is a pink, and the color is lovely. And they're by Palladio. I'll put a picture over here. What I like about them, they bring the dewy, and also they are sheerer than a lot of other blushes, which I appreciate because I would rather put on a few coats, and I feel I can control the blush going on my face better with the translucent. So you see, it makes like a flush, like you're flush. You see how sheer that is? That's the pink, and that is the peach one. Now, if I go like this, then you see more color. The same with this one. See, I went about 5 times on the pink and on the peach, and there it's 1 time. It's so easy to control. I really like that in a blush. I don't like to put on something that's like, oh my God, it's like too pigmented and you don't know where to rub it. The second thing I'm going to show you, and they're very inexpensive. The second thing I'm going to show you is the Citrus Makeup Remover Stick. This is amazing. It's just a regular makeup remover, but it's in a balm and it's in a stick. So what you do is you see, it's already breaking up the blush, and then you just take your washcloth or paper. You see, there it is. Great for travel, great for home or any place. You know, it has a protective cover, so it's going to last longer, and it's a gentle makeup remover stick. This is fabulous, fabulous. You know, if you're lazy and you don't want to get up from your bed, you could start removing your makeup with this. Or if you're traveling, gosh, it's so easy. So throw it in your travel bag and you're on your way. Those are 3 sticks so far. Okay, so now this is a keratin wax stick by Rosino. And this, you unscrew it, then you push it up through here, but it doesn't go back down, so you can't push it up too far. But where am I going? So look at that. Woo. You want that razor smooth hair? Wow. It's a white balm. It's keratin, nutrition, moisturizing, and smooth, long-lasting effect, easy textured style. And it screws on tight, so it's not going to dry out on you. And you just push it up through here. Now, this is my favorite sunscreen because I don't have to spray and get it all over my car. I don't have to pour lotion in my hand and put it all over. I can just go like this. And I could put it on top of my makeup during the day. And it doesn't disturb your makeup. And it's by Banana Boat. It's called Kids Sport. It's a UVA, UVB. It's called Power Stay technology, which it won't run in your eyes. That's why I got it, because I sweat and I don't want it running into my eyes. This is so convenient, so easy to put in your purse. I have one in my car, one in my bag, one up here. I mean, I'm covered. And then I'll put it on my hands, my fingers, and my forearms. This is one of my absolute favorites. It comes in 3 colors. It comes in this medium tan, it comes in light medium, and it comes in translucent. This is the medium tan. I absolutely love it. I use it for contour, for bronzer. And it's a blur stick. It's Maybelline Master Blur Stick by Face Studio. Pore Minimizing Tinted Primer. It's fabulous. So I use it as a bronzer and a contour. I hope they still sell these because they're my favorite. This is the light medium. So with this, you could kind of erase your lines. Do you see that? Let's try this one over here. I don't know if there's any hope for that. Wherever, let's see. And this one doesn't leave much color, which is good because you know you could use it for the blurring and the minimizing pores. So if I go like that, and then I go like this, see, it's nice and light. It's just nice and light. It's great sticks. And I do have it in the translucent. I think it's downstairs somewhere. But the translucent looks white, but it goes on sheer. The e.l.f. Dewy Stick. This is so cute. Daily Dew Stick by e.l.f. And it's in tangerine. That's the color. But it doesn't show any color. You see, there's no color. But if you want some dewy, oh, and it's cool. It's got a nice push up. It's cute, right? I couldn't resist. Looks like cantaloupe. And then it's got a safety cap so it doesn't dry out. Then look at this. COVERGIRL has a clean, fresh, cooling glow stick. This one does have a tint to it. Okay, see that? Okay, see that? So that's like it's like translucent, but it brightens up the area. So where do I want to put it? Oh, nice. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of mushy now. I don't know why. But it's cold. Cold, cold, cold. It's actually cold. I have these blushes. These are a little scary because you see the color? But if you put it on like this, if it starts drying, you'll never get to move it again. These are jelly. These are jelly. But they do leave a very dense color. I have them in 3 colors. This one broke. See the jelly? It's broke. And then we have this one, which is pinker. This is more raspberry. No, they do move around. I'll put the link down for these. Let me show you this. This is by Milk. It's a watermelon brightening serum. And it looks like it's drying out, but it's not. It's still good. I still put it on my face, my neck, my hands. And this thing I wanted to show you, retinol eye stick, which comes in a nice little stick. And this you just put on your smile lines, your crow's feet, your marionette. I forgot what this is. Oh, one more. First I bought this. This was $29. And then I went digging in the internet and I came up with these. They were like $3 to $5. I hope they're still this inexpensive, but they are way below $10. I mean, I got it was like $3, so I'm hoping that they're still like that. So you just twist it up, take off the cap, and then oh, it's so nice. So nice. And if you want more dewy on your skin, just put this stick. But if you're in bed at night and you're lazy, like me, you don't feel like moving, and you just grab on the side of the bed, and then you're just like, oh good, I can get this on my face tonight. And then you put this on. Boxes were exactly, except for the rock. I mean, it was the same words, the same picture, everything. So I am very pleased. I love these. Love them. That's it for today. I hope you like my stick products. I do have more. These are definitely worth getting. They are efficient, they work, they're easy. I mean, what more could you ask for? So thank you so much. I hope to see you in my next video. I appreciate you all. If you think you're not appreciated, come here and you will be appreciated. So, I love you all. Have a great day. I don't want to deal with bottles and liquid. And give me sticks.